This video tutorial I will explain AWS SNS plus SMS subscription. AWS SNS is a cloud service. Using that, we can send messages to users through different channels like SMS, emails, and push notifications. AWS SNS allows you to send SMS messages to mobile phones worldwide. You can send messages to one phone number or multiple users using a topic subscription. For example, a company can use SNS to send alerts, OTPs, or promotional messages to customers. In this diagram, you can see three participants: message publisher, AWS SNS, and SMS subscribers. How does SMS subscription work? Step 1 is create an SNS topic. A topic is like a channel for sending messages. Step 2 is subscribe phone numbers to the topic. Users agree to receive SMS. Step 3 is publish a message to the topic. SNS sends it to all subscribers. What are the different ways to send SMS using AWS SNS? First way is direct SMS. In this case, no topic is needed. Send message directly to your phone number, best for one-time notifications like OTPs or alerts. Second way is topic-based SMS subscription. Create an SNS topic and add multiple phone numbers, best for bulk messaging like promotions or service updates. What are the key features? First one is global SMS support. Send messages worldwide. Second one is scalable. Can handle thousands of messages at once. Third one is cost effective. Pay only for what you use. Fourth one is easy integration. Works with applications, websites, and AWS services. What are the example use cases we can use this feature? First one is OTP verification. Send security codes to users. Second one is order updates. Notify customers about orders and deliveries. Third one is emergency alerts. Send urgent messages to people. Fourth one is marketing messages. Send promotions and discounts to customers. How to set up AWS SNS for SMS? Step 1 is sign into AWS Console. Step 2 is go to SNS and create a topic. Step 3 is add phone numbers as subscribers. Step 4 is publish a message and test SMS delivery. Just now we have seen how to do topic-based SMS subscription. Next we will see direct SMS without topic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.